Hey guys, what's happening? How to get free music for your videos. So you can go ahead to one of the websites, which is freemusicarchive.org, again as it spells, freemusicarchive.org, right? And you can go ahead select search for your favorite author, artist, whatever, or favorite song, and then start download it for free. Okay. The second website is upbeat.io. Upbeat.io gives you a leeway because they don't have copyright claims, so you can easily take whatever music that you prefer, right, and use it in your videos, right? So select the what's trending now, right? Start listening and download it for free. So that's another count. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.